Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see what is bit, nibble, byte, word, long word, very long word, then kb, mb, gb, tb. In my last video I discussed microcontroller and I received a comment from my viewer, what is bit? In digital electronics, when we are dealing with memory or logical circuits, when memory or data is processed or we are storing memory in any IC, any component, we use these terms. Microcontroller will process any digital data. It will perform logical operations and it will provide outputs. How many outputs are there? That number of outputs are defined with these words. If any IC, any component, any storage device is providing one line output, just one line, it is called bit. Because we are discussing digital electronics, in digital electronics there are two logical levels, logic 0 or logic 1. Logic 0 means there are 0 voltage. Logic 1 means if that IC is using 5 volt power supply, it will provide 5 volt in on condition. If it is using 3.3 volt, then 3.3 volt logic level. That means this IC, either its output is off or on, two conditions. It can be identified, determined number of outputs 2 raised to power 1 because it is using base number, two conditions. In digital electronics binary system, just only two digits, low or high. Bit, digit, flag, 1 bit data, 2 raised to power 1 base number, and these are the maximum outputs. This is bit. One line output, that is called bit, digit, flag. If any IC is providing 4 outputs, these are outputs or inputs, data entering or data exiting, 4 in 4 lines. It is called nibble. Nibble, 4 bit data. Same way, 2 is base number. How many output conditions are there? If all outputs are 0, that means it is equal to 0. Decimal number and maximum 15. 0 plus 15, 16 conditions. 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4. These are maximum outputs and it is 4 bit data. 4 lines. Then the word byte. 2 nibbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 bit data. 2 nibbles. Nibble 0. Nibble 1. Nibble is called set of 4. Byte is called set of 8 lines. 8 lines coming out or coming in, 8 lines coming out or 8 lines coming in, or combination 2 coming in, 2 coming out, 4 coming in, 4 coming out, like that. And 4 plus 4, 8 bit. If any IC is providing 8-bit data, that will be called 1 byte. And if any memory is storing 8 digits, 8 bit, that are called 1 byte. Byte, octet or character. It is 8-bit data. 2 raised to power 8. Then word. 2 bytes. 8 bit. If we double it, 16 bit. 1 byte, 2 byte. Combination of 2 bytes. Combination of 4 nibbles. Or combination of 16 bit. The subunit. 2 bytes. Byte 0, byte 1. This is low side, this is high side. 4 nibbles. Nibble 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 nibbles are 16 bit. This is bit 0 and this is bit 15. Total 16 bit. 16 bit data, either it is stored or processed. Any processor, if it is providing 16 bit data, that is called, it is providing word. It is also called double byte. 2 raised to power 16. Then long word or double word. 16, one word. Double word, 32. If 32 lines are coming in or coming out from any processor, that will be called long word output. As here it is using MN103 microcontroller from Samsung, it is 32-bit processor. It can deal with 32 lines. It can provide outputs or it can take inputs. 32 control lines. Digital inputs or digital outputs. 32-bit. Very long word. It is double of 32, 64-bit. Any microcontroller, any processor, anything that is providing 16 lines input or output, that can deal with 16 lines, that is called very long word. It is 64-bit. In this way we can understand that how much line can be addressed, that can be accessed during operation. It can operate 64 devices, we can say, or it can take data from 64 units, 64 lines. Until here, these are dealing with memory and processors. Now we will see memory. That is also in continuity with these terms, that is KB, kilobyte. It is 2 raised to power 10. If you multiply 2 with 10 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are 256, 256 are 256 2s are 512, 512 2s are 1024. Binary numbers. So these locations can be accessed during operation, or these can be stored. Then MB, megabyte, it is 2 raised to power 20. Then there is GB, gigabyte, 2 raised to power 30. If you multiply 2 20 times, like here, 2 multiply with 2 with 2 with 2 with 2, the number will come in gigabytes. Then TB, terabyte, 2 raised to power 40. When we will multiply it, we will receive the number of locations. I hope this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.